And here we are at the EET lab at YTI, and we're here to look at the new technology that we're implementing into our third term digital curriculum. Currently, to teach third term, we use this device, which is called a basic stamp. The basic stamp connects through the USB all the way up and around and ultimately shows up here at the USB port of our PC, where it connects into some software, and the software is nothing more than a series of instructions that look very cryptic if you don't know what you're doing. Fortunately, our students do. So the basic stamp, very capable device. We used it for about 3 years, maybe 4 years, and it allowed the students to get an idea of how programming works, because most digital things these days are done through programming. So you create the program on the laptop, you download it by clicking the little arrow button up here, and as if by magic it sends it down here to this little circuit board through the USB cable, after which time I can unplug the USB cable and the device will still continue to run the program that was downloaded. This particular program flashes an LED, and you can see it's flashing at about once per second from green to red and back to green again, so 2 colors. This has served us well, but our employers have indicated that they would like to see something a little bit more robust and a little bit more industry related, so we are going to get rid of the basic stamp, and we are going to move over here to this device, which is called the Arduino. The Arduino is a competitive product to the basic stamp. However, it is quite a bit more robust than the basic stamp is. When we go over to the computer, we'll go down here to our Arduino window, bring that up, and we see that for the Arduino, once again, it is just a list of instructions that the student will type into the computer. You'll press the arrow button up here once again, and it will send it through the USB all the way around the back of the computer and into our Arduino. Now, our Arduino is running the same basic type of program that we ran with the basic stamp, except you'll notice the capability of the Arduino is enhanced, because in this situation we're not just flashing between green and red, we're cycling through 768 different colors that the Arduino and this LED are capable of producing. Much more robust of an application than the basic stamp. A lot more flexibility. It'll be a lot more fun for our students, and for those people that like to count beans, it's actually cheaper than the basic stamp is as well. But the important thing is that the Arduino board tends to be more industry modeled than the basic stamp is at this point. Hence, we are changing over from the basic stamp with limited functionality to the Arduino with enhanced functionality, which is more along the needs of what our employer base requires. So, if you have any questions, feel free to stop down at the EET lab, and we'll be happy to help you out. All right? Hopefully this helps you understand how we are constantly trying to improve our program. See ya. Laters.